Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the bone needle in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for getting rid of worms. And to begin, first of all, we'll need to gather some bones, which you can get by extracting them from some animal corpses, which you can find around the forest, or by hunting some animals and then using a stone blade or any other knife blade to extract them for bones. Once you've gathered bones, just go ahead to your inventory and hold right click mouse button on the bone and just click harvest. This is going to give you 2 bone needles from 1 bone, which you can then use if you inspect yourself and you see a worm or something in your inventory and drag the bone needle to the worm. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.